Looking to build amazing 2D games? Solar2D is a lightweight, open-source engine that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. In this video, I'll show you how to install Solar2D on Debian Linux using Snap, set it up, and create a fun physics-based simulation using Lua scripting. Let's dive in. Let's start by installing Solar2D on Debian Linux. We'll use Snap to make the process quick and easy. First, we need to install Snap, a package manager for Linux. Let's start with updating our system. Next, enable classic support for Snap by creating this symbolic link. This step ensures Snap can install classic packages like Solar2D. Now, let's install Solar2D. Use this command to download and set it up. This command installs the latest version of Solar2D on your system. If running Solar2D in your terminal gives an error, try using Snap to run Solar2D directly. Type this command. If this works, it means Solar2D is installed but not correctly linked to your path, which prevents the Solar2D command from working directly. Let's fix that in the next step. To make Solar2D accessible from any terminal, you need to create a symbolic link. Run this command. Now, type Solar2D in your terminal again. If everything is set up correctly, the Solar2D simulator will launch. You're all set. With Solar2D installed, let's set up your development environment and create your first project. Open the Solar2D simulator, click New Project, enter a project name, and select a template like a blank project or a physics-based template. Edit your Lua scripts in a code editor like Visual Studio Code. Make sure you've installed the Lua language server extension for better coding support. Now, let's create a simple physics-based simulation. Here's the code, step by step. First, load the physics library and start the physics engine by adding this code at the top of your script. This initializes the physics system, enabling objects in your game to interact with gravity and forces. Next, create a ball using Solar2D's display object. This code creates a circle at the center of the screen with a radius of 20 pixels. This will display a simple circle that will add physics properties to next. Add physics properties to the ball so it interacts with the environment. Here's the code. This makes the ball dynamic, meaning it can move and bounce. The bounce property controls how much it rebounds when it hits a surface. Finally, give the ball an initial velocity using this code. This launches the ball with a speed of 100 pixels per second horizontally and minus 300 pixels per second vertically. Save your script, relaunch the Solar2D simulator, and watch the ball bounce. Congratulations! You've created your first physics-based simulation. And that's it, a complete guide to installing Solar2D, setting up your environment, and creating a simple physics simulation. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more game dev tutorials. See you in the next video.